It all begins the valve guide, and it's the heart of any valve train situation in a cylinder head. And I'm going to let Chuck say a few things about the valve guide and take it on from there.
All right. So, as Anthony just mentioned, the valve guide is utmost importance. And, when we get in, the cylinder heads in, I think one of the things that we just don't give enough credit to is the importance of that. There has to be a point of origin, right? Everything has a datum. So you can't produce accurate valve seats if you don't first have good guide bores. If the reference point for the seat is subpar, the seat quality will suffer. So, I like to summarize that in the valve guide is the guide, not the seat. Now, one of the things that we often see is, people will vacuum test and they vacuum test well. And you're in essence kind of putting two funnels together, and they will vacuum test pretty well because you can flex parts. So you just really have to pay very close attention to the valve guide. So machining the guide bore should be finished without any tearing or out of round or taper. The desired method to finish the guide is honing, to make sure you're straight, true, round. A lot of people ream to get close, but ideally you want to, then finish the bore so you can really control surface finishes. There are hand tools and machines out there that can finish hones to accurate diameter and surface finish.